up, Brown Dynasty fam? We back with another video. I'm Brandon.
And I'm Janae.
Hey, how y'all doing? Yeah, like I said, we was gonna have plenty more videos. As you can see, the kids going up a little bit. We're gonna start doing more and more with them. I still gotta get her back, you know, from the earlier pranks, but we're gonna get it done. But as you can see, baby always whipping up that gold crab, so it's like a go-to. This is really like turned into like a every week thing. I'm almost tired of crab, for real. But nah, yeah, I'm hungry.
I am too.
Whatever, you take it all day.
You ain't gonna say grace or nothing, you just gonna dig on in there?
I say grace in my head.
Okay.
I already prayed over food.
Yeah.
Oh, and then it's the best time, you know, when the kids sleep.
They not sleep. They probably smell everything that's going on and they waiting for some
It's the oldest ones. All the youngest ones. From middle child on down, sleep. That's who you need sleep. That 6 and below group. Oh man. I kind of handle that tight till I know you heard you make crap. Really?
What?
You just gonna dip it in the butter sauce like that?
So yeah, you guys. It's good already. Right
here. Hands gonna get all messy. Where the gloves at? You forgot the gloves?
I don't want no gloves. I want to make sure I'm getting all the sauce. I told you, baby, I had wanted to get those big old lobsters. They were like this big, y'all.
That's just too much.
You think so?
Then I even be seeing like, I don't know, I ain't really hip to like the fried lobster or the fried crab. I ain't hip to it yet. I don't think I can do this fried.
No, I don't think I could either.
I don't think I can do that fried. That's a little too much for me.
Ooh, but you gotta drizzle that lemon on there.
Oh, drizzle the lemon on there? Okay. What? Why? Hey, man, don't be staring at me while I'm eating, man.
I was waiting for you to drizzle the lemon juice on there.
Yeah, I'm trying to. This really don't look like it got anything in it.
I know. You know, when I got these crab, they played me.
Why?
Because they were expensive. But she said it's because they were jumbo crab.
Hey, no, I mean, it's decent size.
This is snow crab.
I know, but they yeah. All right. I ain't gonna worry about it too much. See, I always try to lead with these first, because the rest, I know I can just pop open. See?
So that was good. What?
Well, baby. Nah. Yeah. Finally got it open. Yes.
Babe, right, I'm gonna drink this whole water bottle right here.
No, you ain't. You don't drink water.
I'm gonna drink it tonight.
No, you're not.
I'm trying something new.
What?
Drink a whole bottle of water within 10 minutes.
Man, that whole water will last her a whole day. She do not drink water. No, I'm just playing. She tries.
I really don't.
She tries. ain't told no stories about this lemon here and this butter sauce. It's like quite. That's quite nice. I kind of like that.
Good. You don't know what you're missing, baby. But I think you took one of my crab legs.
I didn't take your crab leg. I'm just behind. No. You was not about to play with me.
But yeah. It's good.
Yeah, it is. Don't play with me, though. You better keep your ass over there, sister. Nobody steal your crab. A little bit of sauce. Like how you do that.
He's real special, y'all.
Like how you do that.
Amazing. Oh, let me have that.
No, man, you just had a whole one. What you talking? What you talking? All right, I'll fuck with you.
No, you good.
That's it.
It's fine.
Yeah, that up. You had his back. You sure?
Yep. I could eat crab every day.
Tiger teeth. Bite it, Lee. Tiger teeth. Here.
I got it.
Okay.
I'm thug when it comes to these crabs, man.
Yeah. That you are. Hey, don't be over here stealing.
What happened?
Problem?
I just feel like they disappearing.
Yeah, they disappear because you eating them all. You stay out of mine. That's yours over there. Stick to your side, sister.
Dang.
You got a little drizzle on your lip.
Every time you stare at me.
Little drip drop. Call you little drip drop. You got a little drip drop on your lip.
That's good.
Dang, yours starting to taste like Mama Rise a little bit. Clearing up my sinuses and everything else.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Ain't nothing wrong with it. It's a little too spicy.
Nah, it ain't bad. Let me see. I'm gonna try this. Yeah, dip that in there like that. Shut up. That's the truth. Put a little lemon on there. Dip in that butter sauce. Fire.
That's good.
That's fuego. Fuego.
Is the corn real sweet? Yeah.
I'm gonna come back to that. I'm gonna put that right there.
Look at you.
What? What you talking about?
See, look how empty it is, and she talking about jumbo crab.
Hey, one thing. Hey, she is serious about her food. All her food.
What you mean?
You know how you is. Everything gotta be done right.
Mm-hmm.
And it gotta be
Super hot. Yep.
Super hot. Like burning your tongue hot. Like that.
How you know it's, yeah. Good. Gotta be like that, baby. Pay for it.
Yes, indeed. Well, you all right?
Yeah, I just think with the cluster, I think you had an extra crab leg.
Who?
You.
No, I didn't. Hey, man, you took my crab?
No, I didn't, I promise.
Nobody had no extra crab leg. See, man, you can have it though.
Mm-mm.
You can.
I'm good. I'm about to start eating this. Oh, babe.
What you gonna do for it?
What you gonna do for it?
It's mine. What you talking?
You know.
Hey, we're gonna end this video. You'll be.
He's so full of it, y'all.
No, I ain't.
Oh my goodness.
Oh man. You want it?
What you doing?
Do you want it? Yes or no?
No.
Do you want it?
I don't.
Do you want it? Use those tiger teeth.
Man.
See, I ain't even get a chance to eat a potato yet. Dang.
No, the crab's too good. And he love potatoes, y'all.
Whatever.
Sweet potato, baked potato, fried potato, sauteed potato, boiled potatoes. He love potatoes. Ain't that right, babe?
Got a little drip on my shirt. I don't know what you're talking. Shut up. Listen. Just call me Mr. Fry Man.
Potato man.
Nah, no. King of the fries. Make any type of fries you want.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, see? Drizzled in there.
So good.
So good.
Mm-hmm.
Do a little bit back there.
Lips glistening.
Let me break my lips off. That's a man violation. You don't have to.
Honey.
Oh, man. You want this? I can't do it.
You guys, do I want this?
Yeah. They got, that has a lot of meat in there. Does it not?
Thank you, baby.
Does it not?
Yeah, I'll take the scraps.
There ain't no dang on scrap. Look at you. Plucking away at it. Just plucking. Just plucking.
Yeah.
Yeah, exactly. It's a lot in there, huh?
Sure, I'm about to eat it.
Yeah, plucking away. Just plucking. Go ahead. So, just plucking away. Y'all see what I mean? Plucking. Don't say nothing to me. You guys, look at this. Just plucking away at it, though.
That's good.
I bet it is. Oh, man. I'm gonna fight you.
Why you keep watching me?
You didn't see what I just pulled out of there?
What was it? You better eat that, boy. It's good for you, baby. Next time we gotta get those real fat king crab.
I don't really like them.
I don't really either, but you get more meat. These was half empty.
Why do you have to say like you get more meat? Shut up.
What? You do.
Care about nothing like that.
I think we can have 2 big legs apiece and we good.
I don't like all that crap.
You want to try it next time with like zucchini and stuff, or no?
Nah.
No.
I don't know. I might. No, I want some lobster tail.
I just said they had that real big fat one.
Yeah, we can get it.
You try it?
That's fine.
Only thing about lobster is it'd be kind of tough, but we can do it.
Looks like you got meat down to a science. But all right, yeah. We're gonna get back to this, just good eats. She done ate all the crab legs.
Oh, so you still got one right here. Here, baby.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, I know. Ain't nothing in there. But, like I said, there's more videos coming to you. Keep on blazing kids up, they little bad selves. Keep seeing more of their faces. As long as they doing right in school. YouTube is a privilege. But we out.
Bye, you guys.
Peace.
Can you come stop the video now? Please move.
What you want?
Nothing, I was just watching.
Yeah, go to bed.
I'm trying to see if we got some leftovers.
Yeah, exactly.
No, I was just watching.
Her and he was like, if we still up and y'all got leftovers, can we have them?
No, I
Y'all could stop. No, he said that.